guys, it's That Science Chick, and today I'm going to be showing you a laser maze. You'll need some small mirrors and a binder clip. First, let's have a science break. The laser beam points at a mirror, and it reflects off the mirror. So when you turn the mirror at a certain angle, it'll then hit another mirror, and another mirror, and another mirror, creating a laser maze. Guys, ready to see it? We can dim the lights and get to it. And see how I keep moving it and it goes away? You have to put it at the right angle for it to, well, hit our full wall target. Bye for now.